Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for simple ways to live a healthier, more balanced life. Today, we're diving into the world of essential oils and how you can use them to melt away stress. Whether you're dealing with work pressure, everyday anxiety, or just need a moment to breathe, essential oils can be a natural and effective solution. So, let's get into it. First up, lavender. This is probably one of the most popular essential oils for stress relief, and for good reason. Its calming, floral scent has been proven to lower anxiety, improve sleep, and even reduce your heart rate. The easiest way to use lavender is through a diffuser. Just add a few drops, and let the scent fill your space. Perfect for unwinding after a long day or before bedtime. Another great way to use essential oils is through topical application. If you're feeling tense, try applying a couple of drops of lavender or peppermint oil to your wrists, temples, or the back of your neck. Make sure to dilute it with a carrier oil, like coconut or almond oil, to avoid irritation. This method is perfect when you need quick, on-the-go relief. For a deeper sense of relaxation, try adding essential oils to your bath. Chamomile and eucalyptus are amazing for relieving stress and soothing tired muscles. Just mix about 5 to 10 drops into your bath water. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let the stress melt away. Feeling stressed at work? Keep a diffuser on your desk with a blend of bergamot and frankincense. These oils are great for promoting focus and easing tension. It's a subtle way to keep your workspace calm and centered without overwhelming anyone around you. So, to recap, use lavender for bedtime relaxation, apply peppermint for quick tension relief, enjoy a chamomile bath for ultimate relaxation, and keep a bergamot diffuser on hand for work stress. These little changes can make a big difference in how you manage daily stress. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments which essential oils you use for stress relief, and we'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day ahead.